Hey, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, go ahead and subscribe and you can see more of my cool videos. For today's little project, I'm doing a review on a Harbor Freight blast gun, and I'm using baking soda as the blasting media. So right here is the little valve for the flow of the media, and you just set it to the amount that you would like to use. So for this demonstration, I'm using some motorcycle points from a Cafe Racer project. I definitely recommend wearing safety glasses as the baking soda can get in your eyes. The one thing I like about soda blasting is that it's very fine, so it doesn't harm chrome, and it's a dry cleaning method. Baking soda is also very inexpensive, and you can buy it at any grocery store. With this blasting gun, it's nice because it's portable and you could use it in your backyard. You can also use sand as the media to pull rust and paint off of surfaces. Well, there you have it. I've also had great results soda blasting carburetors. I'll be making a video soon on this. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with this little soda blasting media gun from Harbor Freight. I hope you liked my little short video demonstration. Thanks for watching, and if you want, hit that like button and subscribe.